Look at the camera. That's the Easter. Nah, you can do it. Look.
What's up, y'all? Y'all know we out here.
You gotta extend your arm out. You gotta extend your arm out.
¿Qué huele, culeros? Aquí andamos, miren.
What kind of motor?
Tenemos aquí el pinche, un Type-R Serie B. Estas mamaditas aquí que no sé.
Para la verga, ¿cómo se llama?
Creo que son headers. Estas vergadas aquí. Le compré estos también.
Le compré esto.
Creo que son unas roditas, no sé cómo se llaman.
You gotta get someone to record for you. You gotta be like, alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing.
That's why I got Carlos.
Yeah, I'm so serious. That would be like, that's like the.
Carlos is gonna be the talker.
Alright, y'all, welcome back to the shop, CC Customs. Let's check this car out. Right here we got Diente, putting in some work. I was supposed to be doing that, but you know, my son's car. Check them 20s out.
Them 10s though, but they clean.
16, but I keep it clean.
Power coated by Dr. 2.
Oh, yeah, the deal.
Transmisión ahí. CC Custom built. Estas madrecitas aquí. I don't know what the fuck they do, but otros aquí también. That's it. That's all I got for now.
I tried to do it, but that shit.
What?
Where the fuck did I try? You going back there? We just locked it up already. Shop's closed.
La Cruz del Sapo.
No, pues tiene que prender la huella. ¿Tapas todo lo demás, güey? Yeah. Alright, go ahead.
¿Te cita Lucho?
Huh?
¿Cita neutral?
Yeah.
Oh.
Dale. Dale. Alright, the injectors are flipped. You're just gonna have to figure out which one's which. Give me a pen. Huh? I know which one it is.
Espérame, dile.
Vaya, pero ya como queda la huella.
Ah, güey, ya. Mira.
¿Cómo?
Some money right there, look. Déjalo un besito a la pilla, mira. Love you, baby.
Oh my god, they're still going at it.
Todavía.
You know the only reason though that I bought this hatch, dog? My son said, Papi, we go to shows but we don't have a car. He said we should get one. I sent the pictures out to Chuche. I was like, what you think, cousin? He said, how much they want? I said, 700. He said, get it. We'll make it work.
Alright.
And he made it work.
Go ahead, try it. Give it the key.
Le doy. That's it.
The dash not on. The dash.
got one of those. Oh, got one of the good.
Oh yeah, turn it off. Ya apágalo, güey, turn it off.
No tiene ni antifreeze.
There you go. Yeah.
Right that way, guys.
Yeah.
That shit turn on. You see that? You see that
See the
time?
love. See the love, man.
That
I
time.
love this nigga, man. I'm telling you,
That
man.
timing was on point.
Did you even put the belt on?
A huevo.
Sí, güey. Mira.
Oh yeah.
So ahora más trabajé en ella, güey. Todo el puto día, jala y fucking.
Oh, you didn't have no work?
Yeah.
Oh, he made it work. He said, I'm gonna have that bitch done today.
Yeah, cause I was holding that shit painted today, and I started fucking with the thing with the head gasket.
Mañana me traigo unos spark plugs.
Yeah,
Oil. Para la transmisión también. Transmisión.
That's 2000 over here. About to get ready to paint.
yeah, bro, I'll probably come Sunday. I'm gonna be busy doing them airbags tomorrow, and now I gotta put them tires in.
You set up.
On the round of the pool, I probably won't do the head gasket like Sunday. I'm gonna do about mañana. Just to do the head gasket.
We're not doing the back, right?
Nah, do that. Pues mañana, what's it?
Damn, that bitch came on.
That shit turn on good though. Sound good?
They do sound good.
Not bad. ¿Y el de ese de aquí, güey?
¿Ah?
¿Y el petillo?
Ahí está adentro, güey. Pero no lo quise poner, aquel güey se lo va a llevar. Remember? He's gonna take yours and mine.
Oh yeah.
For what?
To put the little canister on the side. The little.
Oh.
Ask me if I'm happy.
Yo, did you flip it? Did you flip the canister? You gonna leave it cap side up?
No me cree, güey.
Así-
They don't believe me,
Así
dog.
es, güey.
It's not gonna work.
La bien.
They don't
Eso es
believe
pa'
me.
eso, güey.
It's not gonna work.
How much I want to bet?
Where's it at? Where's it at? He took it.
It's right here.
Ah.
Hold up.
Es como un popote para arriba, güey.
It's not gonna work.
When it gets full, that's why it has a drain. Once it reaches that level to the high, it drains out the popote there.
Ahora, tú lo cerraste, güey, no lo pudimos abrir.
Yeah, that shit hard as shit. Ábrelo, güey. No, güey. A ver. Ahí está.
Yo no lo pudimos abrir,
Ahí
güey.
está. Mira, güey. Cuando se llene, güey. Right now it's going to get full.
But how?
Es el popote ese grande.
This is the feed. Aquí se conecta, güey.
The only way I would understand it working is this way.
No way, mira. Se llena, güey. This is the feed. This one. Aquí va la hose, güey. This one stays open.
But it's never gonna go up.
Sí, güey. Cuando se llene, güey.
You think so?
Ah, güey. Cuando se llene.
Yo, you think so or
I'm
not?
not getting into this.
Look.
Look at it, look.
It makes pressure.
Look.
It makes pressure.
Look inside, right? This one's open, like flush.
Yeah.
Güey,
the hose was all the way up
pero
to
si
here.
no sirviera, no lo venderían, güey.
Isn't that the overflow though?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Okay, but they're trying to put it like this.
Exactly.
With the hose
When they
going
get-
here.
Yeah, when they
Here,
no,
here,
the
here.
hose goes on this side,
onto here.
on the flat one.
They will toaster with.
That's what I'm saying. When it gets full with the hose, when it gets full, it's not gonna get up because this one's feeding it. So when it gets full, it's gonna start going up.
You
When
think
it
so?
gets full, yeah, that's what it's for, nigga.
But the OEM goes down.
Ah, la verga, pues.
The shit we deal with at CC Customs.
Bet money that shit work. Bet money.
They don't believe me, dog.
Juan.
One day,
Mira.
pero otro güey. Otro güey.
Oh.
I know. It shreds.
Cable. Oh, really? Yeah.
Oh,
He
really?
made it work.
I mean, what? Come on,
I got
dog.
I got a good one with the clip.
This is all we need is a clip. Estaba allá abajo del glass.
I looked at him.
El güey me miró, se volteó and just walked this way. So yo también I was just like. Sorry, güey.
Oye, lo bueno es que no dejas comida, güey.
That nigga probably living inside my car, dog.
Again. You didn't leave the seats in there no more?
Nah.
Remember last time we had one?
Hey, my house, that's
Concentration.
I got on eBay.